Hey guys, good day. Okay, so we posted a formula that we're going to actually show you guys how to create a powerful skin brightening toner. And over here we have this. This is a toner. This is how it should be looking like, and it's very nice on the skin, whereby it helps to brighten the skin very well. It is very rich in powerful antioxidants like ascorbic acid. And to get the formula right now, it's not going to be posted here on YouTube. To get this formula, click on the link on the description box so that you get the formula, okay, for this powerful toner. So I'm just going to do the whole thing right now, and then let's start. Okay, so as usual, you need to have your beaker and your working utensil ready and prepared down already. Now you need to have water, which is one of the beautiful ingredients in this particular toner. You can always opt to use a floral water if you want this to have a very nice scent. So you can always replace your water with hydrosols. So if you want to have lavender hydrosol, then that's fine. Now make sure the water is also hot, and so that you'll be able to dissolve the EDTA really well. So what I have here right now is my EDTA powder. This is a chelator, and it really helps to free the water from any ions or any charge. So it makes it very empty and makes it very acceptable. And it also helps to stabilize or activate the preservative that you're going to be adding into this product. Now stir in very well to make sure that it is totally dissolved. You don't want to see some remaining granules of it in there. So make sure your water is very much clear. The next ingredient you're going to be adding will be the niacinamide. Niacinamide is very good for the skin, as we know it. It will really help out with melasma. It's also going to help to inhibit melanin activity. So it's a very nice one. It also helps to soothe the skin from the sun damage. So it's a very nice ingredient, I would say this. Now here we have the main skin brightener here. This is ethyl ascorbic acid. Ethyl ascorbic acid is a very nice derivative of ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. So it is said to be the best, the number one for skin whitening. It really helps, it works really well, and they say it is heat stable, and also it is very much stable to light. So we're using this one as a very nice skin brightener here, and we're filling it up with the chamomile extract we just added right now. So the chamomile extract is important, and over here I have my panthenol going in right now. This is also very important to help soothe the skin, heal the skin, and prevent the skin from going really red, and it also helps to calm anything you have. So right here I'm adding the propylene glycol right now, so that every single thing will dissolve very well, and it will prevent it from reciprocating. When I mean reciprocating, I mean from it going for the powders coming back to its form. It will remain in this liquid state. So you need to stir in really well, so that every single thing is very much translucent. And then we're going in with our penetration enhancer, which is the dimethyl isosabide, also known as your Epidev. So we're adding this, and you can add your colorant. Now when you're adding your color, you need to make sure you're adding it gradually. Don't just add it at once, because when you add too much color, it will affect your quality of the product. It may end up staining you instead of cleansing your skin. So make sure you add in drops, and then work it up to whatever tastes, to whatever your taste may be. So that is basically what I am doing here. I'm just adding every single thing in drops till I am very much satisfied with its outcome. And yeah, I'm done. Now the next thing I have to do is to check the temperature and also add my preservative. Now you want to add some little amount of preservation because this product doesn't contain oil, but it still needs an amount of preservative. Put it in a very nice bottle. Well, you can also put it in a dark bottle, but since we're using a stable form of vitamin C, there's no need for that. I decided to put it in a clear bottle. So the bottling and the packaging depends on you. Do not forget to use this product 2 times daily for maximum results. You can use it in a spray bottle and spray on your face and neck daily. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get to see more videos like this anytime I post. And guys, the formula is right there at the description box. Don't forget to click it.